गोय गुन्ह्यांवांची सुवात जाता असो भय निर्माण जावपाक लागला। रहमान खान खून प्रकरणातल्या फरार आशिल्ल्या मुखेल आरोपीक पर्वरी पुलिसांनी शुक्रारा धरलो। लव ट्रायंगल आशिल्ल्या ह्या पर्वरी जाल्ल्या खून प्रकरणाचेर उत्तर पुलीस अधीक्षक अक्षत कौशलान पुराय म्हायती दिल्या। सुरवेक आमी 5 जाणांक अटक केल्ली, जे खून प्रकरणात आशिल्ले, पूण मुखेल आरोपी फरार आशिल्लो। शुक्रारा आमी मुखेल व्यक्तीक अटक केल्या। 22 वर्सां पिरायेचो विकास ओर्दा कांदोळी रावतालो। वट आमी ह्या प्रकरणात 6 जाणांक अटक केल्या, उत्तर पुलीस अधीक्षकान म्हायती दिल्या। पळयात।
19th April, we had registered a case under section 302 IPC in Porvorim police station, where we had a dead man, a body was found in the area of Porvorim. और उसके बाद during the investigation, initially we had arrested 5 persons who were found to be involved in this murder case. But the main accused in the case was still absconding. So the major development in the case is that today we've arrested the main person involved in this murder, and he has been identified as one Vikas, who is around 22 years old, and he is resident of Kandulin, Orda, in Bardez, and he's been arrested, and necessarily legal action is being taken against him. So in total we've made 6 arrests in this case, and we've successfully worked out this case. So this is all I had to tell you. If there are any further questions, you can ask.
कहाँ से अरेस्ट?
What is the motive?
इनिशियली जो हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पता चला है वो ये है कि देयर वाज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लव ट्रायंगल इन्वॉल्व्ड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच दिस मर्डर वाज कमिटेड.
Is the girl also a suspect in this?
These are all part of the investigation, and we are looking at all angles. So if we are also questioning the girl, we are also questioning other people involved in this to see whether what is their role.
The main accused has been arrested, no?
Main accused is until now we have found him to be the main accused, and we've arrested him.
Any religious connections and anything?
No, nothing of that
What
sort.
was the main role of the accused? I mean, what his role in the?
He is part of that. There was a fight between these two boys, and according to the accused, what he has told us initially, that the deceased, he had certain pictures of a female friend, and he was trying to tell him to get those pictures deleted, and during this discussion they had a verbal altercation which quickly turned into a physical fight, in which a group of men were also involved, which eventually led to his death.
अक्यूज को कहाँ से अरेस्ट किया? अक्यूज को कहाँ से अरेस्ट किया है?
So accused को हमने अरेस्ट गोवा से ही किया है। अभी हम इतना ही बता पाएंगे।
So इतना लेट क्यों हो गया मेन अक्यूज को अरेस्ट करने में?
इस तरीके से नहीं है, जैसे आपने देखा होगा जिस दिन ये केस रजिस्टर हुआ है उसी दिन शाम से ही इसके अंदर अरेस्ट स्टार्ट हो गई थी, एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज़ अ कॉन्टीन्यूअस प्रोसेस, and the accused or the person who commits the crime is always trying to run as far as he can from the police, but eventually, as you have seen in this case, the law catches, and we've made the arrest, and it has been made, the arrest has been made in a it's not a delayed arrest. तो उस तरीके
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, मनीषा जाधव आनी संगीता ओली।